Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing from Dior Beauty. I am very excited because of their gift with purchase. Everybody raves about Dior makeup and skincare, and I had a few beautiful eyeshadow palettes from Dior from like a little over a decade ago, and I didn't use them that much, only when I went out on special occasions because they were very colorful, and I eventually had to throw them out, which killed me because actually I think one of them was not even used at all. But I used to go to the Dior counter a lot in Bloomingdale's in New York City, and there was a really nice lady who worked there, and she would help me with my makeup, and I actually hired her to come to my apartment a few times and do my makeup for special events. But I haven't gone out to events in a long time because of COVID and being up here taking care of my mom. So I haven't really bought anything from Dior, but I'm excited to try these products, and I will show you what I got. So let's see, the first thing I got this, just the receipt, which I'm gonna need probably to discuss the products. Okay, so the gift with purchase, and this is a true unboxing, I'm just opening this for the first time, is this straw or raffia clutch. And I was tempted to order a few extra products so that I could reach the price that you had to get this, which I think it was $100. So I just thought this was really cute. Even though it's the end of summer, it's still really hot here. I mean, it was like in the 90s today. So I think for the next few weeks, I can still use this. I think it's so cute. And it's got a zipper compartment here. And it's lined inside. It's actually very nice. It's a really nice gift. You know, everybody always raves about the gifts with purchase from Dior, and I think they're right. So there we go. And it's a nice size too. This is actually very cute. I actually have a very nice raffia straw clutch in the city, but I don't have it here with me. So it's nice to have this that I can use here. Okay, so now let's see. There were some gifts with purchase that I got, which, let's see, it comes in this little pouch. And this is Christian Dior Le Baume, the balm. And I think you can use this for your hands or your lips or anywhere on your body. I think it's multi-purpose. So I wanted to try that. You've probably seen that sort of round case that people have with this in it. So I thought before I ordered that, I would give this a try. And I also got a Miss Dior. I wanted to try the Miss Dior fragrance before I bought a full size. That's what's so great about samples. I love the brands that let you choose samples because it's a great way, especially if you're not in store where they can give you samples. Look at that adorable bottle. Oh my God, that is so, so cute. Oh, I love it. I have a lot of small perfume bottles. I kind of used to collect them when I was a kid, and I love them. This is perfect. Let me see how this smells. Ooh, very nice. I'll put some on. Ooh, very nice. It's kind of sweet. So if you like sweet scents, you might like that. So that was the other sample. I think we have gotten more samples. I thought they said I could choose. Well, maybe not. Maybe it was just two. Okay, so now for what I ordered. The first item is this. It is called Creme Abricot. I think I'm saying that right. It is strengthening nail care cream, and I definitely need that. My nails are very soft, and they break easily, so I'm excited to use this. Here it is. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, my gosh. Very creamy. So I'm going to put this on in the evening, rub it in my nails, and hopefully that will help keep them a little stronger. When I have polish on, it's okay, but when I don't have polish on, I find sometimes they break kind of easily. Right now, they're looking okay. And the next item I got was an eyeliner. It's a color felt tip, and I got it in, what's the color? I think I got it in, it was a brown color. I can't even see this. It says, well, 781, dark, looks like it says mocha brown, maybe. And it is this, it's a very dark brown, which goes very well with my eye color, which is green, and just with my skin tone. So I think sometimes black is a little harsh because I have very light skin, very pale skin. And then the final thing I got was this Rosy Glow Powder Blush, and the color is Rosewood. Let's look at that. Let's see. I know I've said this 1,000 times, but yeah, I hadn't used my makeup in so long because of the pandemic, and they were a little bit old. My makeup was all a little bit older, so I had to throw a lot of stuff out. So here we go. You can see it's very pretty. This is close to the, to the blush that I use most often. It's kind of it's kind of like a pinkish apricot shade, so I think that'll be good with my skin tone as well. And that was it for the products, except, oh no, wait, something's here. Lip Maximizer. Oh wow, look at that. Lip Maximizer, let's see. It is 4 different plumping and hydrating lip colors. Oh, that's cool. I actually may have chosen this as one of my samples. So very nice. And there's a little brush there. Very, very cute. I'm looking forward to trying that as well. So I think that was it. And I love the packaging. It's the packing paper. It looks like Dior ribbons. Isn't that cool? But it's paper and it says Dior all over it. So anyway, so that was it. So it was the blush, the eyeliner, the nail cream, the eyeliner, the blush, and then this lovely gift with purchase. And it was a special the other day, and I do think it was, if you spent $100, you got this. But every time I get notification from them, there's some special deal going on, and I signed up. Like, I created an account because everybody was raving. Everyone on YouTube was raving about Dior. So I decided that I wanted to get in on that and kind of see what they had. And I am starting to think about advent calendars and what I want to get this year. Last year I got the Jo Malone advent calendar, which was really nice, but I haven't used all the fragrance yet, so I think it might be a little silly for me to get it again, even though I would recommend it if you like Jo Malone and you want to try a lot of the different fragrances. But I'm wondering if Dior will have one, because that might be fun. If anyone has any suggestions, if you've tried any other advent calendars, like beauty related, in the past, let me know. It's always fun to try new products, especially when you can do it that way and it's like little samples. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to grow my channel. So that's it, and have a great day.